In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a record in Airtable. Deleting records is a simple task, but it's also one you want to approach carefully because once a record is gone, it can be tricky to get it back if you delete the wrong thing. I'll walk you through two straightforward methods, using a right-click directly in the grid and using the expanded record view. Both approaches do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels more natural for the way you like to work. Let's start with the right-click method. First, make sure you're in the table where the record you want to remove is located. You should be looking at your grid of rows and columns. Each row represents a single record. Move your mouse to the left side of the grid and hover over the row that you want to delete. As you hover, you'll see that row become highlighted, which lets you confirm you're on the correct record. Take a moment here to double-check things like the primary field or any key information in that row, just to be sure you're deleting the right one. Once you're certain, right-click anywhere on that row. A context menu will appear with several options related to that record. In that menu, look for the option labeled Delete Record. Click that. Depending on your Airtable settings, you may see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete this record. If you do, review it and then confirm. The record will disappear from your table, and that's all there is to the right-click method. Now let's look at the expanded view method, which is useful if you want to review all the details before you delete. Start again in the same table and locate the record you're considering removing. This time, instead of right-clicking, simply click on the record itself. This opens the record in what Airtable calls the expanded view or record card, where you can see all fields and values associated with that entry. In the expanded view, find the More Options menu, usually represented by 3 dots in the upper corner of the record card. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see an option called Delete Record. Select it. As before, if a confirmation message appears, review it carefully and then confirm that you want to delete. The record will be removed from your table once you close the expanded view. Use whichever method you find most comfortable and always pause for a moment to confirm that you're deleting the correct record before you commit.